In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Patreon with a debit card. We'll be walking through the payment setup process directly inside Patreon, so you can add your debit card and make sure your memberships are covered properly. If you already have a Patreon account and you're signed in, this should only take a few minutes. Start by going to Patreon. Once the site loads, make sure you're on your account and fully logged in so you can access your settings without any issues. From there, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the three dots. This opens a small menu with more account options. If you don't immediately see it, take a second to scan the lower left area of the Patreon interface, since menu placement can vary slightly depending on your screen size. Next, click on Settings. This is where Patreon keeps your account preferences, billing details, and payment options. Once you're in the settings area, look for the section labeled Payment Methods and click on it. Inside Payment Methods, you'll see the option to turn on backup payments. Click on Turn on Backup Payments. This feature is useful because it gives Patreon another payment method to fall back on if your primary payment has an issue, which can help prevent interruptions to your creator memberships. A confirmation prompt may appear. If it does, click Turn on to continue. After that, Patreon will take you to the card entry form. Now, enter the name on the card and your card details. Make sure you type everything carefully, including the card number, expiration date, and any other required information exactly as it appears on your debit card. A good tip here is to double check for typing mistakes before moving on, since even a small error can cause the card to be declined. Once all the card information has been filled in correctly, click Add. That will save the debit card to your Patreon account as a payment method. After the card is added, it's a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and make sure the payment method appears successfully in your account. If Patreon accepts the card, you're all set and ready to use that debit card for payments on the platform. And that's it. That's how to pay on Patreon with a debit card by adding it through your payment settings. If you're following along, just take your time with the card details and you should be able to complete the setup smoothly.